Hello everyone, this is Ramat here, and I'm just going to tear down a iPhone 6s, completely change the screen and the back as well. This iPhone has got a bit of rootless back. The back is completely dented, scratches everywhere, and it doesn't look really good. So I've been asked to completely change the back and the screen, and if anything else is damaged or broken, replace that as well. So we're gonna just do that now, and to do so you would need a new screen for it, a chassis, or you call it a back, for the iPhone 6s, and we're gonna take you through this video. I'm just gonna put this one a little bit faster because it's a bit longer video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to take the bottom screen off, take the battery screen off, take the screws off, and take the screen completely off, and one by one take every single screw that you can see on the motherboard, take them off, and then slightly disconnect the antenna, the flexes, the connections, and just make sure you don't damage anything or you don't make any sort of problem for the phone. Secondly, you would need to remove the battery. The battery is connected to the phone via glue, so you need a heat gun to literally give it a bit of heat, and then remove the battery, and of course other components as well. Throughout, it's an easy step. Just watch the video. It's all about disconnecting and unscrewing and reconnecting and re-screwing. So that's all it is about. I'm just gonna let the video go and watch it. If you have any question, please do ask me. I'll try my best to answer in the comments, and share our video and subscribe as well. I'll come up with more videos. Yeah, so that's it. I'll run the video now. Thank you. Bye.